Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.
True friendship. Once upon a time in the city of Syracuse lived two friends, Damon and Pythias. Both of them were lovers of truth. However, their king, Dionysius, was an evil-minded ruler. One day, the king heard that Pythias had called him cruel and had said something against him. So he got very angry. He announced that Pythias would be punished for this and hanged. In the court of King Dionysius, Dionysius is on the throne. Pythias' hands are tied behind. Soldiers are on his either side. Pythias: O king, please allow me to go and meet my old mother and my sister before I die. I must arrange for my sister's marriage and bid goodbye to my mother. After that, I will return. This is my last wish. King Dionysius: Impossible. I cannot grant your wish. How can I be sure that you will return? Demon enters the scene. Demon: Sir, I am Demon and a true friend of Pythias. Please let him go to fulfill his last wish. I will remain in your custody until he returns. King Dionysius: All right, Pythias, but on one condition. I will fix the day and the hour of your return. If you do not return in time, your friend Demon will have to die instead of you. So Pythias was granted his last wish. He went home, completed his work, and hurried back to Syracuse. He had to face many dangers, and so he was delayed. On the fixed day, Pythias had not returned. As a result, Demon was taken to be hanged. In the court of King Dionysius, Dionysius is on the throne. Demon's hands are tied behind. Soldiers are on his either side. King Dionysius: Where is your friend now, Demon? He has left you here to die. I am certain that he will not return. You are a fool to be here in his place. Demon: You are mistaken. I know that Pythias will keep his promise. He will be back in time. Even if he does not come back, I will be happy to die in his place as I love him dearly. Pythias enters the court hall running, gasping for breath. Demon embraces Pythias and weeps. Pythias: I have come. Please do not kill Demon. I have come back to take the punishment. Please hang me. Demon: No, please hang me. If he were to be late, then I would have been hanged. So I am to be punished. Both of them argued for some time. At last, King Dionysius: Never in my life have I seen such friendship. Both of you have kept your promises. I am happy to know that such friendship exists. I set you both free.